Today's tutorial, we're going to put this boat scene into this planter box. Here we go. First thing we're going to do is get this image. We're going to go select all, copy, get this image, and paste. That's the first thing we're going to do, and put that into a nice spot like that. Now to see what we're actually dealing with, so you can see the planter box behind, click on the layer and bring down the opacity. Bring it down to whatever you like. And while you've still got this tool up at the top left there, you've still got the move tool, you can move that around and do what you want with it. Okay, that's looking good, because we want to put the boat not up top or anything like that. We want to put it inside the box here. Not worried about what's inside the box, because we're going to get rid of that in a minute. Okay, that looks good. Leave it like that. And put the opacity back up. Now the background, we duplicate it. So right click and duplicate. Okay, and we drag it on top of the boat one. So if you want to, you can still see if it's there, turn the eye off, put it back on. Opacity, bring it down like that if you want. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do, we're going to eliminate or delete all that section there. Now as is the timber box, this is this is the difference with the whole entire thing too. It's not a real thing that would really actually happen, but for argument's sake, water inside a box, that'll never happen. So we click on any area inside the box there like that, come around to here, so that's roughly the same level right along here, and delete. Go around from here, this edge, go back into the image, come up to here, delete. From here, same thing. We want to get it down to about that level. So we kind of, that kind of level, that kind of distance, that's what we want. Delete. From there to that corner, delete. And we just delete the inside part. Alright, so far that's looking good. This part here needs a little bit more. So we're just going to go there and go further into the timber. Delete. A little bit more. Oops. Right down to it like that. Yep, that's what we want. Okay, now change the opacity up the top right here. Just bring it down so we can see the sail. Now we can use the lasso tool for this, just to, delete that part. But we're not going to do it. We're going to use what they call a pen tool. On the left hand side here, the pen tool is the first one. That's your best one to use for this type of stuff, because you've got a bit of a curve here in the actual sail. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit more. I'm going to hold down the R key to rotate the image. Hold it down again just to get it in a nice spot, so it's easy for me to move like that with your hand. It's a lot easier that way. Okay, we've got the pen tool selected here. Start from the bottom of the sail, go about to there, and see there where it needs to be covered. So you need that blue line has got to cover whatever it is. So make sure we've got it selected. Select it, just click in the middle of it. Hold down the command key, and then you can use your cursor to move it in position. That looks good. Now, go a little bit further up the ladder here. Do the same thing again. Click on there and move it. While you've got the option key down, you can do this. Just move the whole entire thing. Holding down the space bar key while I'm doing that too. While I'm moving the whole image. Click onto the end, which is quite straight, so we don't have to worry too much about that. Click there, there, a little bit there. And this is a pretty straight line there, so I don't have to do too much. And right down here is a pretty straight line. I don't have to do too much with that either. Now I'm going to continue right down to the bottom of it, and then go across to the beginning point. Now we're going to right click the blue point. Make sure you click on one of the blue parts. Right click, make selection, to spline, delete. Now we just zoom out. Hold in the R key to rotate the image. And we get it nice and straight. Zoom out. Now what we're going to do, go back to the background layer, the top one that we're working with. Put the opacity back up to 100%. And there you go. There's a boat inside of a timber box. Thanks for watching.